Here comes an armored millipede found in the Western Ghats, known as Eucentrobolus maindroni. It moves like a train in the leaf litters of the forest floor. The prominent warts on each segment of the body and the tiny protruding tail makes it unmistakable. They feed on decaying plant matters from the forest floor. The sequence of its moving legs is interesting to watch. Myriads of creatures like this live along with us in the forest, which we fail to notice. Enjoy these marvels of the nature when you're out on exploration. Thanks for watching.